In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Home button on your Google Chrome browser. Whether you're looking to streamline your browsing experience or just get a bit more convenience from your setup, having a Home button can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and get that Home button up and running for you. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. There, you'll see a three-dot menu icon, which is often referred to as the More button. Click on this and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu teeming with options. Next, navigate to the Settings option in this drop-down. Clicking on Settings will take you into another screen dedicated to configuring your Chrome experience. This is the place where you can tweak and customize various aspects of your browser to better fit your personal preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, take a look on the left side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with items such as You and Google, Autofill, Privacy and Security, and many more. You're going to want to select the Appearance option from this sidebar. This will direct you to a new section where you can make visual adjustments to the layout and look of your browser. Within the Appearance section, you'll find several settings related to how Chrome appears. What you are looking for here is the Show Home button option. This is the key setting that will allow you to enable or disable the Home button. To turn on the Home button, simply look for the toggle switch next to Show Home button and click it to switch it on. When you turn on the Home button, you'll notice a few more options appear, giving you control over what happens when you click that button. You can choose either the New Tab page or select Enter Custom Web Address and specify a particular web page that you want to access quickly by clicking your Home button. Selecting New Tab Page is an excellent choice if you enjoy having your most frequently accessed sites and features right at your fingertips. However, if you have a specific web page you often start from, entering a custom address can save you a few clicks. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the Home button on your Chrome browser. The button should now be visible next to the address bar, ready to take you wherever you set it to go. This small addition to your browser can really make a difference in terms of efficiency and ease of use. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful, and now you can enjoy quicker access to your favorite web pages with just a click of the Home button. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.